Hey guys, if you have problem with brushes in Photoshop and you wanna reset the brushes to the default, it's also easy. You will open the brush from here. Okay, first you may select this. You will open brushes from here. Then you will press on this one. Okay, after that I will go to brush processed. Then I will go to here and search for something called reset brushes from this one option. Okay, I will click on it, then replace current brushes with the default brushes. I will press yes, and in this case all the brushes I have edited, it will back to default again. Okay, let's see. Okay, all the brushes for sure has been disappeared. I had too many brushes, but it all disappeared and back to default. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.